Hey, it's Jason. I am out here in beautiful Chester County at a pond that we installed not too long ago. I am often asked, hey, what size water feature do you recommend I start at? I recommend starting at an 8x11 if you have the room for that. So when I'm talking about that 8x11 pond, what I'm talking about is the area that's just for the pond. You can really do whatever you want on top of that as far as the length of the stream. We could have our biofalls sitting right here and just doing one drop. Or in this circumstances, we wanted a little bit more sound and a little bit more visual, so we did 3 different drops coming down. But an 8x11 pond is really a great starting point in order to make it easier for you to have a healthy ecosystem. So there are 5 elements to an ecosystem pond. Our mechanical filter, our biological filter, our aquatic plants, rocks and gravel, and fish. And if you size all of those properly and put them together in such a way, you will be able to create a very low maintenance ecosystem that looks awesome. So you really can make ponds as large or as small as you would like. But I really recommend starting with an 8x11, starting with an ecosystem pond, and your results are going to be great. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments below. Please remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, keep building your outdoor dreams.